Welcome to today's episode. తెలుగు వారందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. ఆల్ మై ఛానల్ వ్యూవర్స్, హ్యాపీ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే.
Today I am going to prepare Sabudana Vada. Sabudana Vada is a popular crisp fried snack. It is a popular Maharashtrian snack. So come on, let's start the process. One cup sabudana or sago, boiled and mashed potatoes, pinch of baking soda, coriander leaves, ginger and green chili paste, roasted and crushed peanuts, curd, cumin seeds, salt, curry leaves. Take a bowl, add water and soak the sabudana for 1 hour. Now take a bowl, add a soaked sabudana into the bowl. Now add boiled and mashed potatoes. Add roasted and crushed peanuts. Add 2 tablespoons of curd. Add chopped curry leaves. Add chopped coriander. Add cumin seeds. Add pinch of baking soda. Add required amount of salt. Add ginger chili paste. Now combine everything. Once oil get heated, make sabudana vada and drop it into hot oil. Fry it on a medium flame until it turns into a golden color. Once this vada get fried, now transfer this into a plate. In the same way, make the vadas with the remaining batter and take it into a plate. Finally, you can serve this hot sabudana vada with chana chutney or green chutney.